Hello, my name is Michaela Bauer. I am going to take you through the implementation of the Hangman game for Task 2. I'll walk you through the entire game flow. I'll start with the core features that I implemented, and then I'll go into some of the medium features and then the advanced features. I will be running the server in the top console over here. I've got my code on the left side of the screen, but I'll be running the server over here. You can see that after a couple of seconds, it will start a connection. Down here, I will run the client, and after a few moments, it should connect here. Yep. So I get the welcome to the Hangman game message. I'm going to set my name. That's the first thing that we're going to do here. And then I get my menu that comes up. So the first thing I implemented was starting a game. You can do that. Once you do that, you get the cool little Hangman to come up. You get a word. It shows your misses, your score used. You got your options down here. Up in the top, which I thought was fun, the server will print the correct word, which I thought was nice which is kind of funny, debugging. Because you can kind of force different states of the game. You can guess it automatically, you can fail it, and that was nice to implement, I thought. I can show you that you've got all the things you can do. So I can guess a letter. It will either it can check and see if it's part of it or if it's not part of it. So the secret word was debug. A is not part of debug, but B is, and you can see that my score is decreased when I guess wrong, and increased when I guessed correctly. And you can see that it is being revealed as I guess, and also you can see that when I guessed incorrectly, I slowly start getting the little stick man. I can show you that I can win the game, and I can also lose the game. Oh, I also can show you the state of the game at any moment, which just will kind of print the same kind of screen that we're seeing through these. There's a couple of options in like the more harder implementation features that will make this part disappear, and this will bring it back, which is kind of nice. All right, so I will win. You can see that I get the win status, shows me the word. I get the option to start a new game. I'll go ahead and start the new game. I can see that the secret word is variable, so I will go ahead and just guess letters that are not in variable to force a lose condition. Oh, this is nice. You can see that I do have certain safeguards in place. I was going too quickly, and I already put in the letter T, and so you get an error that the letter T was already guessed. I also implemented that you have to put in hold on 1 second. Sorry, I did not realize where I was. That's because it's a number that you can choose. Okay, so like if I choose a number that's not part of the menu, you get an error message that must be a single alphabetical character. That's so funny. I'm sorry. And then, so I just continue guessing letters that are not part of variable. Wow, I am not doing so good at guessing incorrect letters. Oh, also, I accidentally just pressed it. I left an empty input, and also safeguards against that. So let me see. Okay, there we go. I've lost the game now. Sorry about that. So you can see I have died here. My score is -1. You can see all the guesses that I've made. I get my loss condition. It shows me the secret word. Those are all like mostly the core features that I implemented. Moving on to some of the medium features, like the little bit harder features. So let's see. Let me start a new game really quick. Let me go ahead and guess a couple of. Okay, the word is thread. So let me go ahead and just guess a couple of letters really quick. I have see the letters that I've guessed, which will print all of my guessed letters here in this little array. Oh, I can show you the game state now. So if I press 1, it'll bring me back to this screen so that I can see where we are in the game. I can also request a hint. I implemented that as well. Hint used revealed the letter D, so I know D is part of it. It decreases my score, so you can see that my score is 0. Before I used a hint, it was 8. Let's see. Oh, I can guess the entire word, so I know that the word is thread, so I can go ahead and guess the whole word, and then I will win. I can also, if I incorrectly guess the whole word, which is class, so if I say, hello, it counts as 2 misses. So you can see that I got the head and the body of the stickman. Let's see. I can also abandon the game. So I can press 4 here. I'll get a little message saying, are you sure you want to quit? I will type in yes to quit. Game abandoned. The word was class. You gave up, returning to main menu. And then I can go ahead and play the game again. For the advanced features, I implemented the scoring system. I think I've been kind of showing it as we go, that points are being tracked. I also implemented the leaderboard. There should be some information there. Yeah, so you can see that my name is here. My best score was 54. My average score is 24. I have the win percent. I've played 3 games. You can see that if I start a new game and I just push that through, I won. You can see that I can pull up the leaderboard again. I've now played 4 games. My averages have gone up a little bit. Something that I also implemented was if I am in the middle of the game, so the word is network. So if I get a couple of things, if I give up the game and I say that I want to quit, it is not tracked in the leaderboard. So I can see here that I've only played 4 games, which was the same before this game that I started. If I go up to, I'm so sorry. It's a little bit hard to see. Excuse me. So you can see up here, leaderboard was still 4. So you can see that doesn't change or affect the leaderboard at all. Let's see. All right. Yeah, so I think that was everything. Everything that was implemented. I have all my code here. All the implementation is there as well. Thank you so much.